This tutorial covers the main steps of setting up your Serta motionplus divided king base. To begin, clear a path to the desired setup location prior to moving the base. For safety reasons, use 2 people at all times. Please refer to the provided instruction guide for detailed step-by-step instructions. Place the bed base box in a desired location with the bottom of the box facing up. Remove all tape, binding straps, and packing materials, making sure to not puncture the box with any sharp objects. Remove the items from the electronics box and place them aside. For this installation, you will need 2 C-clamps, 4 long bolts, 4 washers, 4 nuts, 1 13mm wrench, and 1 5mm hex wrench. Remove the head and foot sections of the bed from their boxes and lay them on the floor. Once aligned, slide the C-clamp over the frame connections and install using 2 long bolts, 2 washers, and 2 nuts to secure the frames together using the provided wrenches. Repeat this step for each side of the base. Connect the foot motor plug into the control box. Then connect the foot massage motor into the control box. Uncoil the power down box from the frame and ensure it is easily accessible when it is turned to its upright position. To install the legs, simply screw them into the leg threads. Be careful not to over-tighten. Do this on all 4 corners and on diagonal sides in the middle. Note that the legs adjust in height from 5 to 8 inches. To adjust the height, simply twist the bottom portion of the legs to extend and retract your preferred height. Carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Install the mattress retainer bar by sliding each end of the bar into the retainer brackets at the foot of the base. Uncoil the input cord that is connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Plug the base into a working power source. A surge protector is recommended. Install the remote batteries. Setup is now complete. Quickly test all functions to ensure they are all working properly before placing the mattress on the base. For additional information, please refer to the owner's manual.